My name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 4 January 2023. Today's my bio topic is inheritance in Java. Inheritance in a Java mechanism which are the object acquires of the all properties behavior to the parent objects. This is the relationship shows the parent and child class. It is important of the OOPS concepts. Concepts in Java. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming System. The idea behind the inheritance in Java that can create you classes that are the exist in classes. When you inherit the existing class, you can the methods and fields of the parent class. Fields of the parent class. Next is the inheritance represent the which known as the parent-child relationships or why use inheritance in Java for method overloading or method overriding. So first is the term use in inheritance. First is class group of the object which the common properties it used to the blueprints from the object are the created. So next is the subclass is the which of the inherits the other class called the extended child class. Next is the parent class is the where a subclass of the feature set is also known as the base class of the parent class. Next is the reusability. Reusability is as the specify reusability mechanism facilitates you the reuse the field methods and existing class of the return existing class of the create a new class. Types of inheritance. So types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, or hierarchical inheritance. So in the first of in Java programming, multiple and inheritance supported by through the interface in a interface only. So single inheritance: when a class inherits another class, it is known as the single inheritance. Multiple inheritance: when there is a chain of the inherits known as the multiple inheritance. When two or more classes inherits into the single class is called the multiple inheritance or hierarchical inheritance. It is the hierarchical inheritance. It is the class of the inherit the parent class. It called as the hierarchical inheritance. This is behind inheritance Java that can create classes that are the create classes built upon the existing classes of the inheritance. Inheritance use of the Java in method overloading or method overriding in this use of the inheritance. So this is the basically main concept in object oriented programming system in Java. So thank you.